we wanted to take that element away because we're Europe or America to full orchestra, which means nothing is on keyboard, only piano. Piano is piano. Real. So violin, 15 violinists, or whatever stage out.
Yeah.
Violinists. Now we picked maybe 8 or 7, 8. 40 musicians online.
Tuliddeko tables sente zoyogedde ne zitukanga ezibangawo wano mu ggwanga.
Sure.
10 million?
Yeah, 10 million, 5 million, 3 million. So 3 million table edo, 5 million, 10 million. Tulina pre-concert party. By the pool.
10 million.
Yes, 10 5 tulina pre-concert pre-cocktail at the pool area, and then from there we walk over. I have a book I've written. They get a copy of the book. We have exclusive music for them. Tulina show, Plataza, Serena, Bel Air flowing, Pepsi Aquafina flowing. So it's gonna be a good time.
Alongside million tusedde nnyo abantu newankubadde shegenda kubeera nnaku bbiri bwe twakitwala.
Tables are going. So I know this is the first of its kind in Africa. Any first of its kind.
Africa.
Yes, at least East, Central, Western, Northern. It's the first of its kind. So people are paying for the experience to be part of history. Or a history element, music, and this is the first of its kind. So.
Okay, yeah,
but there's 3 million, 5 million, 10 million. We are really comfortable. Yeah, tickets 130K on Momo. Really comfortable.
Okay. Rick Ross.
Maybe there are others, but calling someone is nothing. Calling friendship is, yeah. Phone call. Yeah, number one.
Okay.
I said you don't need my contact. You have my number.
Yes.
One. Oh, you don't need my contact. You need a number, one. So yeah. At the end of the day, it's nothing without. If we had a conversation, it would have been nothing. But because of the conversation, he's sponsoring a concert.
I
don't know. That's from the MC to the sponsor. They know what they know. But what we talk about is important. People be like, "Oh, I to call a collabo." I'm like, "It's okay. Don't mind the collabo." Yangu, come we look better. Sponsor the first concert ever in Africa.
Rick Ross and Navio.
Simani, Aniana program here. Now he's welcome.